What's unique about here, we get so many items that are just so different. You'll very rarely find one of the same.
In a museum, oftentimes it's like this hands-off attitude, but here you can touch things and you can interact with them, you can use them, you can rent them. The prop library really holds over 2,000 items at this point.
We do pay attention to detail, especially when it comes to movies. Wouldn't you say so, Troy?
Of course, I must concur. People come in here, especially prop masters and set designers, they come in and they like, hey, I need this or that for a film, and normally we'll ask them, well, what are you gonna exactly do? Oh, the film takes place in 1986 and so on and so forth. So being that we work on this stuff and we're around it all the time, and we've been blessed to see those type of decades come and go, we're able to help the set designers or prop masters match what's in their brain to what they're trying to put on the screen.
We have various items from video games, CRTs, telephones, mobile devices, oscilloscopes, your first personal computers.
The Nintendo Entertainment System, Coleco,
Commodore, Neo Geos.
Neo Geo.
We have a lot of movie sets that comes in, such as,
Like Orange is the New Black.
yeah, Person of Interest.
Saturday Night Live.
Was it Blue Blood?
Blue Blood, yeah. What's The Americans?
Yes.
Yes.
This particular TV right here came in one summer day when a grandchild was cleaning out the attic. And it came in and he was like, he don't want it. And I was just like, wow, what a beauty. The only things that was missing was the knobs, but look at this. It's beautiful. It's a piece of art. We don't find things like this no more. Everything is plastic, just about, you know? So you'll find different types of TVs, ones with rabbit-eared antennas, or the ones that are digital interfaces.
And sometimes it's really weird because certain things just really stick to your mind. So we also have a lot of events where we go to different communities, and I still distinctly remember when this came in. It's like a house phone from one level to the next. I was like, are you sure that you want to recycle that? And well, the person was sure of that, and here it is in the prop library.
We have like the vintage MacBooks, like we have IBMs and Dells, and yeah, I remember like floppy drives and dot matrix right? Yeah, dot matrix printers and stuff. I remember all of this stuff. I remember playing, ColecoVision, not talking about it. My parents had that, and we had one of these type of TVs in the house. When I look at these computers and stuff like that, it just brings back a nice feeling, and it also humbles you that you've lived long enough to see technology go from one stage to another.
Older reel-to-reels. Sometimes it's hard to imagine that they made music on those.
I think our criteria for putting this collection together, as I mentioned, I would call it eclectic. And I think it's very subjective too, because it depends a little bit what really relationship you have to certain items.
We look for those one-of-a-kinds that you can't find anywhere else. So when we come in as technicians, we're home, we're comfortable.
I think we need to have spaces like this to just really, capture our history and also understand how we, how our relationship to technology is really changing.
And the next time you see a vintage item in a movie, think about us. If it came from here, did these techs work on it? Where did it come from? Everything has a story, and we're waiting to tell it. So come right over and visit us. This is our playground. Everything is possible here.